Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and we have our latest Going Gear EDC Club shipment. Again, a couple reminders, this is going to come to you every month at $60 is your cost, and you're going to get more than $60 of value in the gear that they send to you. It does come in this padded envelope. There's no fancy boxes or things, but they're saving money on the kind of on the marketing and production side of that end, and they can invest a little bit more into the gear that you're going to actually get. So let's see what comes in this month's shipment. All right, so here's the card you get with it, and then you get the information on the back. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items, prices for these 3, and then this one says knowledge is priceless. So it looks like it's going to be kind of a teaching tool for something here. So our first item here, see if I can pronounce this properly, the RhoV maybe, RhoV Valor V10 for $39. So that's going to be this right here, it looks like. So that comes in this nice little kind of carrying case. Okay, so you unzip it like so, and inside we are going to get a little storage thing here, and this is cool because you can use the case for other things. This is just model number, date of purchase, serial number, and their website. And then it looks like you got a piece of paracord or some sort of cordage here. And then we have this, which I'm guessing is that's the item. So this is the V10. So this looks like kind of one of those EDC blades that you would use for, all kinds of different cutting tasks. It's definitely not a heavy duty item, but definitely very cool looking. So we got a carabiner here. We've got a hex wrench there. You got a bottle opener there. Looks like this could be like a flathead screwdriver. Looks like that might be able to be maybe. I was gonna say it looks like it's supposed to be a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm not sure about that, and then here's your blade. I'm gonna press this maybe. Let's see, twist this maybe. Yeah, twist it, press it. There we go, press it down. It took me a minute to figure this out, but basically you've got this little knob here, and so you can see it's kind of up a little bit. If you crank this down and tighten it up, once it stops spinning, that's going to limit you from being able to press it down, and you need to press it down in order to deploy the blade. So what you need to do is loosen this up a little bit, and then press it down, and then you can slide the blade out. And you can see on the back we've got a little cutout there, a little cutout there, so you can put it out that much. And then press it down, slide it out, you can put it out that much. And once it's out, I guess you can, I didn't even think about this till right now, but you can crank this down, and now it's not going to be able to be put back in place, so it's definitely going to lock in there for you. So yeah, there's your hex wrench, your bottle opener, you got your carabiner, flathead screwdriver, and then obviously your blade as well. So they're valuing this at $39.95. These are kind of a cool item. I've got a handful of these. Let me grab some to show you. Actually, the one I have accessible right now is the RUK, R-U-K, and basically you press down on the blade and then deploy it out like so. So kind of a cool, simple EDC item. Definitely classy looking piece of gear here. And because it is titanium, it's going to be super lightweight, so you can throw this in a pocket. And I like the idea that you basically, you loosen this thing up, press it down, and then when you crank it back down, you don't have to worry about it being in your pocket and accidentally deploying. So $39.95 for this. Again, basically you're at $40 out of your $60 with just one item already. All right, here's your second item. It's from FollowMofo, or FollowMofo, I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, but the EDC C2. I actually just gave one of these flashlights from this company to a buddy of mine because he was looking for one. That is cool. That is a tiny little light. So this is going to be about the size of like an Olight S1 baton. So super compact. Let's see if it's got a battery that works already. May have a little plastic that's blocking it so that the connection won't happen. Yep, so I'll take that out. What do we have here? Oh, that's cool. Looks like a rechargeable CR123, the EDC C2. It's been a cool company to check out a couple other items. They definitely make a nice little product. So this thing is super compact. Turned on, a couple different settings. Your max output for this is going to be at 400 lumens, and it has, let me check the official name here, the 98 plus CRI LED, which is a true to life color. It almost looks like an incandescent. So you can see here. Kind of an interesting color, and this thing is, turn this off here, super compact. So here's one of the rechargeable Olight S1R Baton 2s. You can see that is definitely bigger, and this is the Olight. This is the mini, right? S1 baton mini. Almost the exact same size right there. So that's a cool little light. This thing is super lightweight. Let me grab my scale here and turn this on. This thing it's amazing how lightweight it is. Let's put this down this way. 1.12 ounces, so super lightweight. Let's compare that to even the tiniest baton here. 1.515. So you're definitely saving a little bit of weight, and compared to the rechargeable baton, 1.8. I'll be interested to test this out a little bit. Very cool. Valued at $34.95. So again, $40 and $35 right there. You're above the value of the amount that you've already paid. You do get your micro USB with this, and you saw the little container that it comes in as well. All right, your third item is this right here, and this is from a company called Zero Feud. It's a lanyard bead. It says designed specifically for our EDC subscription box. Rick Wayne created a beautiful brass bead that will make for a welcome addition to any lanyard. So I'll take this cordage, and I'll put it on this guy right here. And then the last thing is, they say some people say Celtic. I would say Celtic. Some people say Celtic. Button knot. It says knowledge is priceless. And then you get this, which is basically how to do a Celtic button knot. There's the steps in there. And on the back, it says if you want to learn more, check out Weavers of Eternity. So that's kind of cool. Just they're not charging you anything for that, but a little extra skill set. If you know Creek Stewart, his Apoca box definitely is about a skill set, learning particular skill sets. So this is kind of cool that they just throw this in as a bonus. I like that. All right, guys, so wrapping up here, you can see these are the products we're getting this month. One thing I can tell you is I've looked at, I think, 3 months of these EDC boxes or EDC club deliveries, and it's definitely geared. I mean, obviously, it's built around EDC, but like EDC, not just like, oh, I like flashlights and knives, but like people who are into everyday carry kind of gear. So, to have this type of blade and to have a bead, that's definitely people who are like interested in everyday carry as kind of like a everyday carry lifestyle. It's not just somebody who's like every once in a while they want to have a different flashlight or a different knife, which I think is cool. I like the fact that it's that specific. If you're like, yeah, I like knives and flashlights, but I'm not really into much more than that for everyday carry, then you're going to get some cool items for this, but they're going to give you even more than just your basic knife and flashlight when it comes to EDC items. So I think that's kind of cool. I kind of like the specificity that they've brought to life with this EDC monthly subscription. As always, I want to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave comments in the comment section down below. What do you think about this gear? What do you think about the other videos that I've put out on this Going Gear monthly EDC club? And let's get that conversation started. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. Check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.